From Cheap Homesteading, and today we're going to clean my laneway with my pull-type V snowblower. It is around freezing today, and it is really not the best time to be showing you guys how the snowblower works, but I really wanted to show you guys real-world conditions. So this is how a pull-type V snowblower works on a day that's pretty close to freezing, because this is the worst conditions for that kind of snowblower. The snow kind of piles up and it doesn't feed into the auger properly, and you got to keep lifting it and lowering it just to get it to feed through. At least you get a good view of how it works in these conditions. And you know what? People were able to clean their laneways with this for years, and they were able to get out. And I'm sure they had days that was close to zero, so it's a lot better than shoveling. And when I look at it, I haven't spent a ton of money on this snowblower, so it owes me nothing already. It takes me a little longer than it does, but it's paid off. So let's go. That wasn't too good. I'm gonna have to show you. The PTO shaft fell off. Thank goodness it didn't do any damage. Looks like someone had problems with this before, so we are gonna throw another bolt in there, and then we're gonna keep going for a little bit. Whenever you buy used equipment, you're gonna have to fix it. So if you can't fix it yourself, you really shouldn't be buying some old stuff like I do. To someone, cheap might be getting just a smaller tractor, a newer, smaller tractor, because they can't fix it themselves. My cheap is barely running. You got to assess your situation, and if you can't fix the stuff yourself, you really need to buy something that's maybe a little more reliable. I'm going to put this bolt in for now, and we're going to finish the laneway, and I'm really going to have to come back and fix this thing a little better for sure. Okay, there you go. So we're back up and running.
did a pretty good job for the bad snow. You know what, I had to play with a little bit, like lift and lower the blower if it started to bog down. I cleaned it up there, cleaned down the road. I got the laneway all cleaned out and the sun came out. It's just a beautiful day today. We really haven't got a ton of snow, so I really want to kind of show you some fluffy snow, because this thing blows fluffy snow like there's no tomorrow. So next video with the snowblower, I'll make sure it's good fluffy snow so you can actually see how well this thing works. One thing I want to make sure is that I don't give you the impression that I buy a bunch of old stuff and it's problem free. It's far from it. I fix almost everything that I have. Everything I have breaks because I'm running old stuff. So I'm gonna try to make sure that you guys see it, like that PTO shaft flying off. We're gonna have to fix that thing better, but we finished the laneway. You just gotta do what you gotta do. So that's about enough for today, and you guys have a good one.